just gonna. Okay, so we are with. I'm not saying because this part's probably blurred out. And don't ask me why. Okay. Stretches out a bit. Is that like with the exhaust off? On. So it's open now. It's fully open. Yeah. Oh, it's stronger. And it's not even giving it the real beat.
No. Not even putting off of the.
Get some footage here. Not even giving it half of the beans that's in the can. And it's not that expired cool cans that you get now. I think it's open here even. Should be. It's a public field. Left, right off. Okay. Yeah, can't go in there, but okay. Yes, how does the V8 pull in the V6 pulls like this? This is insane. So this is a V6, 3 liter V6. Yeah. 3 liter V6 supercharged. It's the S variant. Nicely specced out, full leather, everything. No carbon fiber inside though. But yeah. Look at that. Got the seat pack also. I don't think everyone comes with this. So I'm just having a little bit of a feel. First time in this car. And this car's how old now? It's 7 years.
2016 one.
Oh, it's one of the later ones. They came out in 2014. So I came out in 2014. Go in here and get some shitomatics. Okay, so what is going to happen is I'm going to take it for a spin. Never driven this car, so. Oh, it's got a hard start. And is it pedals?
Yep.
And then your thing is gone, yeah. God, I'm sitting so high. Look at the biggest sun visor, just so by the way. Check it. That's not even, okay. I'm a bit high. I'm a bit high. A little bit closer. Yeah. But I'll have to switch to sport to change, yeah? I can just click when I want to.
You just change.
Give it a butter beans. Oh, the throttle is extremely sensitive. Yeah, the throttle is extremely sensitive. Like you get a little bit on like this. I see what you mean when you give it half a beans.
Yeah, you don't have to accelerate hard at all.
Know that I'm trying to be real responsible here, guys. Okay? I don't have strong cars like this. What was it? 290 odd kilowatt. But let's give it just a little bit of beans. Because we don't want to get the traps or whatever. Put some beans over here. Wow! Mountain, yeah. Yes. Wow! And it doesn't even feel like it's struggling. No. Oh, yep. That's illegal speed.
go by the garage.
Oh, you just gotta hang on for dear life in this car. Yeah, this was a good buy, dude. I won't lie.
For the price?
Yeah, I think it's a very good car for the price. so for everybody watching, this cars go for, there's no joke, for like $599. What for? $599, $600 for the nice ones, $700 for like really nice ones. Strong, Jesus! Oh my God. Oh, that's a... Whoa. Ja, traction control. Ja, deze gaat dus kijken wat... Oh my goodness. En deze is ZF-in,
I'm gonna go, yeah.
This guys. Okay, so that is whoa! Don't. So yeah, that's my drive with the Jaguar F-Type V6, 3-liter V6 supercharged. Had a blast with that car. I don't do reviews really as such, but it was kind of like a review. Tell me if you like that sort of setup, if you like that, what that was, because it was really just me going for a drive. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself. Like, I really like that car. And it's old, it's a 2016. So a really good buy if you ever want to buy one of those cars. I think honestly for the age that car is, what a good car. Super quality inside. I mean, it doesn't have like full digital dials or whatever. It's got sat nav. It's really cool inside. I mean, the car is old. If you want to see more about the car, you want to know more about the car, there's videos about that. You just kind of got my reaction. Yes, I'm a little bit big for that car. When I say big, I mean like a bit of a big boy for that car. The seats don't go any wider open. It's got like grabbing bolsters, so, and I feel tight, and the suspension is a little bit firm, but compared to what I'm used to, the suspension is a little bit firm, but it's very sporty when you're in it and giving it the beans. Yeah. Anyways guys, yes, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. This was really fun, and this morning was the serving the peace breakfast run, so it's a little bit of a busy day for me. The videos will come out differently, so you'll probably have seen that video already and come here afterwards. Hopefully, if you have not seen that video, please go and check that video out on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm seeing you guys next video. Bye bye.